Hi again. So this video shows you how to connect yourself to my class on Khan Academy if you are on a phone. So I switched my computer over to mobile view. This is what you will see when you're on a phone or another mobile device. So it does look a little bit different from what you get on a computer screen. So I wanted to make a step-by-step process for how to do this on a phone or another mobile device. So if you go into your phone's browser and you go to khanacademy.org, you will see something that looks like this. You want to go up to this little three lines next to the search bar and click on it, and it gives you the option right here. You can see to log in. So we're going to click on that guy, and you may have to scroll. So be ready to scroll if you need to. And it allows you to continue with Google, continue with Facebook, or just put in your username. So again, I have a student account created so I can show you these things, what it will look like from your perspective. We log in, we click login, and then this is the page that you'll see. So if you have assignments, it'll be the first thing you see. But if you're not in my class yet and haven't been assigned to any specific class, then you will not see this part up here. You'll probably get sent straight to my stuff. But if you scroll down and go to teachers, you can click on teachers and you can go ahead and put in the code. So same code that you would put in for whatever class you have. Let's say I'm in the Algebra 2 class. I grab the code that I sent you guys on Remind and on Unified Classroom, and we type it in up here, and then we can join the class. And it will tell me I have successfully joined the class. So you can see this student is probably in multiple classes now because I've used my student account to give examples for how to log in to my classes and how to sign up for my classes. So if you need to sign up for a class and you need to do it on a phone, this is how it will look. All right.